Si Ombudsman Remulla naman tiniyak na papanagutin si former House Speaker Martin Romualdez kaugnay sa flood control projects anomaly. Si Senator Francis Chis Escudero naman patuloy na iniimbestigahan ng Ombudsman sa pagkakadawit sa isyu ng flood control. Yan ang mga balita na tinutukan ni Bombo Grant Hilario.
Inihayag ni Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Boying Remulla na kasama si former House Speaker Martin Romualdez sa mga papanagutin ukol sa flood control projects anomaly. Naniniwala kasi ang natong opisyal na hindi lusot sa pananagutan si later 1st District Representative Romualdez kaugnay sa isyu ng korupsyon. Giyot ni Ombudsman Remulla na ang pagiging Speaker of the House ni Romualdez ang siyang nakikitang dahilan para siya magkaroon ng pananagutan sa pagkakatalaga ni former Ako Bicol Party List Representative Zaldico bilang House Appropriations Committee Chair. Alinsunod ito sa isa na sagawang investigasyon ng Office of the Ombudsman sa naging papel ng dating mambabatas sa kalakaran ng maanumalyang mga proyekto. Narito ating pakinggan si Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Boying Remulla.
Hindi kasi when we look at the Zaldico cases, the whole pattern that happened, it was really Zaldico working with some senators that came up with a final version of the budget. And the plan was laid out there. If fingers do not point to the speaker, former speaker, as the leader of the House, he was responsible for the appointment of Zaldico. Although Zaldico was elected on the floor, everybody knows that it was the speaker's choice. That's why we have to hold him accountable for that.
Dahil rito'y pagtitiyak ni Ombudsman Remulla na gagawa sila ng mga karagdagang hakbang para lamang matukoy ang buong katotohanan sa likod ng flood control scandal. Kanyang binigyan din na walang palulusutin rito lalo na mga lider o opisyal ng gobyerno sa naging kalakaran ng kaya't posibleng karapin ni former House Speaker Martin Romualdez ang kasong gross inexcusable negligence sakaling matukoy ng Ombudsman ang pananagutan nito. Muli ating pakinggan si Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Boying Remulla.
It's a novel theory. I know we're crossing the boundary of normal legal theory, but we have to stretch it a bit. Kasi nga, the whole government machinery and the Filipino people suffered damages. We have to go there. We have to go we have to tread that path already. That nothing is excusable here. At the least, negligence should be charged against those who were responsible for their offices. Ano yan Leadership principle yan The buck stops with you.
Samantala, ibinahagi naman ng kasalukuyang ombudsman na nagpapatuloy pa rin ang kanilang investigasyon kaugnay sa pagkakasangkot ni Senador Francis Chis Escudero sa manumalyang mga proyekto. Sinusundan niya ang nakalap na money trail na posibleng maging daan upang matukoy ang pagkagadawit ng senador. Pati mga salaysay ukol sa flood control projects scandal ay kanilang gagamitin bilang ebidensya na siyang sinusuri na ngayon ng Ombudsman. May isa pang ulit na pakinggan si Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Boying Remulla.
Ongoing, we have statements leading of a money trail leading to him, narrations of fact that are there already. But of course, we want to buttress it with other evidence, which we're looking to right now. Ano nga Pag wala ka makitang AMLA trail, then you have to follow a cash trail. And we will
Nag-uulat live mula Office of the Ombudsman. Ito si Bombo Grant Hilario, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio. Bombo!
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.